Hey everyone, it's MK. Welcome back to MK Quilts and MK Quilts University. Here I am at my home studio with a little bit of a teaser. Today I'm working from home. Over my right hand shoulder is brand new Handi Quilter Infinity with Pro Stitcher. Perhaps you saw my video a couple of days ago. I'm unboxing this and testing this out for a new owner of ours, Cindy. She lives here in Florida in the Villages. And today I'm doing a bunch of recording about all things like tablet settings, console settings, tension with her new bobbin case, getting her designer activated, all of her accessories, things like that that I am doing on Cindy's behalf before this baby goes to her house up in the Villages. So you're gonna have to stay tuned because I'm recording. I'm gonna have plenty of editing to do. Some of the content's gonna land right here on YouTube and Facebook, and some of the content will land on my members only site, MK Quilts University. All right, well, I just did some recording, introductory recording. I am ready to get Cindy's bobbin case loaded, test it out. I'm ready to change up some of the settings, and I am ready to get to stitching and try this beautiful, glorious new Infinity with Pro Stitcher out for Cindy. So stay tuned right here over on Facebook, Instagram, all those places. And if you have not already, please check out my training site, MK Quilts University. Become a member today. And by the time all of this info hits the site, you'll be a member and you can watch it. All right, I gotta get to work. Until next time, from the home studio at MK Quilts to you, happy quilting, everybody. Bye-bye.
Hey everyone, before I cut the video, I wanted to throw up this slide and let you know that I'm taking MK Quilts University on the road. You know, my training platform is wonderful and I help thousands of people here on MK Quilts University. But I also travel around the country and I'm just highlighting the event that I'm going to be having at the Villages later this month. This is going to be a private event at Cindy's home. Cindy is the new owner of this beautiful Infinity. Please register over at shop.mkquilts.com. Once you register, you will get all of the details about the specific location, how to prepare, and the like. Please share this video, share our event, and I really look forward to seeing Cindy with her brand new machine and meeting many of you and letting me help you take your Pro Stitcher skills to the next step. See you in the Villages later in February. Bye-bye, everybody.